Okay, how you going, folks? Nice to have you back. Here we are on Monday 13th of July 2020 over here at 17 Mile Rocks, and it's rained for the last, well, rained on and off for the last 4 days, which we had it rain for a week when we did that one, and it killed us. And we've had it rain for on and off for 4 days, which has embedded this clay a little bit, which is good. But what I'm doing now is spreading some gravel over the top. I don't really want to because we need the gravel, but without the gravel over the top, you can see on the mixer there, all this clay soil just sticks to the tyres. That tyre is almost an inch bigger than it was when we took it off the truck. Same with the wheelbarrow, and I haven't even used it yet. So yeah, I've got to put this gravel down so it doesn't stick to all the tyres and stick to our feet. I was here Thursday with the engineer, and yeah, I was 3 inches higher by the time I left the site, and all I did was walk from one end to the other, just once. So yep, we will get this done, and we'll start putting posts in today. I've got to still make up the big ones that go up against the side of the house here. I've just got to double check the measurements today, but we start getting these in. We'll get these lower ones in and the top corner, so we start getting our lines in. All right, okay guys, just a quick one. Please help us along as we build this channel, and of course make it a bit more varied. I don't have tunnel vision, unfortunately. If I would, I'd be a rich man. But yeah, I've got a very wide eye, and I'll be doing a bit of stuff on philosophy on how to make more money, how to get more jobs, how to use the philosophy you can learn by digging holes to help expand your view and make more room for others. So yeah, we'll do that. I've got to work that one out a bit more. It's got to be interesting when I finally get around to that. That won't be too far away. A little bit of philosophy. All right, away from that, back to the holes. I'll keep on putting some more gravel down so we don't stick to the ground. Well, the ground doesn't stick to us, I should say. And we'll catch you again soon, okay? See you then. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya. Bye.